Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about some hiring opportunities. So this video will be very helpful for you. So do watch the complete video. We are going to talk about the selection process, eligibility criteria, and all the important information which is required for you to be aware of, right? So do watch the complete video. It is going to be very helpful. And also do share the video among your friends as well so that even they can know about these hiring opportunity. Before proceeding further in the video, guys, please to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed by now. This will motivate me to make more such important and essential videos for you, and also be a part of our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself, so make sure to join us there as well. So let's see our first opportunity. But before this, there's an important information for you. So guys, if you are looking for any of the programming courses, data structure courses, or any of the courses on Geeks or Geeks you are interested in purchasing and looking for some discount, so let me tell you, you can use the coupon code study with Soumya. Every character should be in capital, and all the required information, the coupon code itself is given in the description. So you can check it from there. So use the coupon code and get the 10% discount and start learning. So let's talk about our first opportunity, that is from SAP, right? So here you can see they are basically hiring for developer associate software design and development. So it is an amazing opportunity. If you want to apply, you can apply now. So further information has been given here. The career status should be that you must have been graduated. This is the company description given, that SAP started in 1972 as a team of 5 colleagues with a desire to do something new. Together, they changed enterprise software and reinvented how business was done. Sort of summary is also given for you so that you can get a proper insight about the things. So you can go through this summary as well. Talking about the task and expectation, so let's have a look. Design, implement, and maintain a core competency in SAP HANA, SAP ASE, SAP IQ. Design robust system engineers aligned with SAP's cloud-first strategy to deliver solutions. Take ownership of work and operate in a globally distributed organization. Resolve customer support issues in a timely manner. Articulate technical information clearly for customers and within our organization. Prioritize tasks, develop detailed design with estimated efforts, and drive topics to completion. Well, certain points has been given, so you can just go to them for your further understanding. I won't be just reciting each and every one of them, because obviously you can understand what they're actually trying to get from you, or basically what is their expectation from you. Let's come to the eligibility criteria. So here they have clearly specified, talking about the education and skill requirements. So 0 to 3 years of experience with bachelor, master of degree with preference of computer science engineering. So mainly preference will be given to the computer science engineering, and you should be having 0 to 3 years of experience. It means if you are just a fresher, then also you can apply. So this opportunity is basically for 19, 20, and 21 pass out, so they can apply for it. Also, you must have excellent analytical skills, must have strong knowledge of C, C++ programming language, must understand multi-threaded architecture, good to have expertise in cloud technology like Docker, Kubernetes, etc. Expertise in areas like following in an advantage, device driver, operating system, query processing, file system storage in memory resources management, multi-threading, distributed computing, must be able to do multitask and work independently, must have excellent communication and articulation skills, good to have sound knowledge of database, internal database architecture. What you get from us, so also there is certain points. So here certain other points as well mentioned, that why you should be part of this company, and all such stuff is given. So just go through it for your proper understanding, right? Let's talk about our next opportunity now. So that is from Cisco. So Cisco is basically hiring for the role of data scientist intern, India, UHR, as you can see right now. So location, talking about the location, so Bangalore has been mentioned, right? Let me refresh it. I think there is some, yeah. So location has been mentioned, Bangalore. Area of interest, information technology. We are innovators, we are accelerator, we are transformers. What you will do, so certain points has been mentioned, that what you will be doing as a data science intern. So as a data science machine learning engineer, you will be the analytical problem solver and a catalyst that will help business teams make better decisions using decision and data and analytics. Bring an interdisciplinary skill set of AI, ML, data science, computer science, statistics. Develop data product services across descriptive, inquisitive, and predictive analytics to improve business processes and drive tangible business outcomes. lead complex analytics program working with multifunctional teams. Who you are, so solid knowledge in statistics, probability, data structure and algorithm, knowledge in data analysis, data exploration, data wrangling, and data validation. So all these things are needed. Okay, why Cisco now? Why you should go with Cisco, and all such important points has been mentioned. So you can just go through it once. This is also an amazing opportunity. Also, let me tell you that please note this posting is to advertisement a potential job opportunity. The requirement is for 2022 pass out only. So this opportunity is for 2022 batch students only. The exact role may not be open today, but could be open in the near future. So yeah, that's an amazing opportunity for 2022 batch. So make sure to apply. Let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Salesforce. So Salesforce is basically hiring for associate member of technical staff. India location is Hyderabad and Bangalore. So these two locations has been mentioned as of now. And let's read further about this. So talking about the job details, so 2021 FTE software engineer role they're going to offer. And this opportunity also, you can see in the eligibility criteria, they have clearly specified that BE BTech graduating in 2021 in computer science, electrical, electronics, or equivalent disciplines with specialization in computer science are eligible, and 7 CGPA and above with no backlogs should be there. Talking about the required skills, so academic or professional internship experience with Java, C++, Python, understanding of object-oriented programming design, working knowledge of web technology, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, be a self-starter, and possess a strong sense of self-motivation. Desired skills that they have mentioned is coursework in SQL and relational database concepts, strong competency in Java language, JavaScript, and related framework, strong skill in data structure, OOPS concepts, and algorithms. Further other things has been mentioned, right? So you can just go through it once. This is your time to shine. As software engineer, a graduate, you will be expected to contribute right away as a member of our Scrum team for future classes or future releases. As the world leader in enterprise cloud computing, we deliver innovation 3 times a year with several features in each release. You will design and develop feature that will reach millions of end users and enterprise who use our mission critical application and service every day to run their business. So this is also an amazing opportunity for 2021 batch. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, make sure to apply. Well, if you are not meeting the eligibility criteria, then for sure you won't be processed further for further rounds. So please don't apply. But those who are meeting, they should apply. Also, guys, make sure to be stick to our YouTube channel. Make sure to be connected with our YouTube channel so that you can get to know about these opportunity. That's why make sure to subscribe this channel. Just share the channel among your friends as well so that even they can know about our YouTube channel. As of now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. So do like this video, do share among your friends as well, and also be a part of our Telegram channel. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.